Good morning. Here are the Sanibel Island and Southwest Florida updates as of March 2nd, 2023. Periwinkle Park is in the process of rebuilding their mailroom, with all of the metal mailboxes being rebuilt and new locks installed this week. The mailroom is looking great, and overall the entire park is looking great. Periwinkle Park is being repaired rather quickly when compared to other trailer parks in Lee County. The Lee County Board of County Commissioners voted on February 21st on the 3 bridge projects mentioned in previous updates. The Commissioners voted to approve the resiliency measures and recreational amenities for the Sanibel Causeway, the design changes for the Cape Coral Bridge, as well as awarded a construction contract to replace the Big Carlos Pass Bridge. You may be thinking it was a no-brainer on approving these 3 bridge projects, but there was some debate because I think a lot of people assumed the state would cover all the costs, but the state is expecting Lee County to cover some expense, and that was the main issue on whether some of these resiliency measures would be approved or not. For the Sanibel Causeway, after Hurricane Ian, the Florida Department of Transportation completed temporary repairs and then hired a contractor to complete permanent repairs. The FDOT has recommended numerous resiliency measures as a part of the design, including sheet pile walls, riprap, gabion baskets, and landscaping improvements to help stabilize the roadway and causeway islands. At a February 6th workshop, the Commissioners reached consensus to incorporate the resiliency measures along with previously approved recreational amenities into the FDOT project. The cost of the improvements as part of FDOT's proposed permanent repairs is $285.3 million, of which the Federal Highway Administration would fund $239.3 million, and Lee County would be responsible for $46.1 million. Lee County is also responsible for the $5.6 million needed for recreational amenities. These previously approved recreational amenities include bike lanes, turn lanes, designated parking areas, and recreational improvements. This should be a relief to a lot of people because there have been rumors going around that the Causeway Islands would not be rebuilt, but that rumor has now been proven false. Thanks for listening.